All right. We are breaking 2016 Black Gold 2-boxer, eBay, and Facebook for those that got in. But before we bust them open, let's do some randomizing on the teams. So give me a sec here, and I will pull up the other screen, and we'll see what everyone has. So let's add our spreadsheet first. All right, here's what we're rolling with tonight, and just so everyone's clear again, because I know there's been some confusion, the left side here is just the breakers. I put everyone's teams and names over here after they're done in the right, so this has nothing to do with who your teams are over here. So for tonight, Jason Miller's got a squad, Jim Newsy has a couple, KK Garcia has one, Nina Giron has 4, David Terry has 2, Josh Baldness has 2. Robert Graham, Armand has 1. Chad Washington a couple. David Nickel a couple. Ian 1. Steven 1. Brenda 1. Stephen Handler 1. John Wheaton has a couple. Eddie has 1. Travis has 1. Scott O'Neill. Robert Caldwell has 3. William Sells and Jim Newsy has 1 more. So those are our breakers. I will randomize those first. We have 32 in the mix. Let me get you over to the random screen. One sec. It's always more sub. Window capture. Alright. Got the random screen up. We do it 6 times. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. There is 4. 5. And last one, 6. We are Jim down. I know I'm butchering your name. Nirajan. I'll go with. Grab those. Just fire those in the other sheet real quick. Alright, Jim down to. Alright, let me grab the teams. Alright, let's grab another list. Arizona down to Washington. It was 6 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last is 6. Oakland down to Philly. put those in our sheet. I'll bring it back to the Excel, and I'll let everyone know who they have. Oakland down to Philly. Oakland down to Philly. All right. Get rid of that screen. You add you back on the Excel. All right, again, breakers and teams on the far right-hand side of the Excel. Those are your teams. Nothing to do with anything on the left, so not to be confused. So, Jim Newsy has the Raiders, William the Steelers, Brenda the Chiefs, David Terry the Dolphins, Robert's got the Titans, Jim again with the Bucks, John with the Broncos, David with the Packers, Stephen LaHue with the Bills, Josh with the Falcons, Scott O'Neill with the Bears, Robert Caldwell with the Skins, Jim again with the Seahawks, Josh with the Panthers, Chad with the Lions, Ian with the Bengals, David Nickel the Jags, Eddie the Rams, Armand Arizona, Nirjan the Saints, John Wheaton the Giants, Mr. Caldwell the Ravens, Jason has the Patriots, KK has the Browns, Robert Graham the Cowboys, and Nirjan again with the Vikings, Travis the Chargers, Stephen Handler the Texans, David Nickel the Jets, Chad Washington the Colts, Nirjan the Niners, and Nirjan the Eagles. So those are everyone's specific teams. So let me get back to the video feed here and we'll bust these two boxes open. Again, I appreciate everyone getting in tonight. All right. Let's do this. Box 1, box 2. Plastic off both. Topper, box, pack 1, pack 2, empty. Put those there. You can see them. And pack 1, pack 2, empty. All right, we got 4 packs. All right, pack number 1. $18 out of 100, Odell Beckham Jr. for the Giants. Gold prospecting, 85 out of 99, Devontae Booker. You got a ball, a couple patches. It's pretty nice looking stuff there. Black gold's got some pretty cool cards. Alright, next up. 3 out of 49, Golden Prospect Signatures, Nick Vannett for Seattle. Next, we have 164 out of 199, Tyler Boyd, Motherlode for the Bengals. Try to keep the glare off him as best I can. And last out of this pack, 59 out of 225, Gold Rush, Curtis Martin for the Jets. That was pack 1 out of box 1. Pack number 2. Of course, First out for the Bengals, 144 out of 225, AJ Green. I'll do my best again to try to keep the glare out, but it's tough. For the Rams, a Golden Ground Game, 6 out of 150, Todd Gurley. Oh, this is something cool. Ooh, this is nice. For the Eagles, 38 out of 99, Carson Wentz. Auto patch. I'm trying to figure out where that patch is from. It's kind of a gold pen auto. Nice hit there for the Eagles. Next, 38 out of 49, Amir Abdullah for the Lions. Massive materials. And then last out of this box, franchise golden, Bortles, Ivory, and Robinson, 101 out of 225. I will do it for box 1. Box 2. Hope your team's getting the hits. If not, hopefully we can pull in some hits. It's empty. First up, 84 out of 225, Matt Forte for the Jets. Ooh, what do we have here? Goff, Wentz, Lynch, and Hackenberg. 28 out of 249. Rookie Tetrad. I'll have to double check at the end here to see if someone owns all 3 teams. I don't believe so, but we'll look. If someone owns all 3, it's theirs. If not, it goes in the randomizer. Next, we have a grand debut autographed jersey redemption. Josh Doctson for the Redskins. Next, we have 37 out of 99 Shadowbox swatches. Ndamukong Suh for the Dolphins. Actually move that one over here just so I don't randomizer. And last out of this pack for box number 2, 24 out of 25, Golden Arms. Panthers, Cam Newton. Last pack. Eli Manning, 69 out of 225. We got another one here. What is this one? Another Wentz. 80 out of 99. Mother load. Some sweet looking patches. Another nice hit for the Eagles. They got a 3-color one in the middle, and you got a 2-color one on the right. Not too shabby. Tyler Boyd for the Bengals. Again, 104 out of 225. A big napkin and a gold auto. For the Raiders, Jalen Richard, 157 out of 225, rookie auto. I like that these are on-card autos too, not stickers. And last card here is 55 out of 100, rookie goldmine, Zeke. These boxes haven't been too bad tonight. Alright, let me take a look here for the randomizer one. Let me just take a gander here. Make sure I get everyone that needs to be in it. Let me pull up that. Let me pull up that screen. Alright, who do we have on this card? We have the Rams. We have the Eagles. We have the Broncos. And we have the Jets. So, Raiders, Steelers, Chiefs. Broncos is John Wheaton. Packers, Bills, Panthers, Rams, Eddie. That's 2. We are looking for the Jets, David Nickel. And last, we are looking for the Eagles. We have Nirjan. Rams, Eagles, Broncos, and Jets. Alright, let me throw those teams in randomizer. Randomizers, we put every team in there 3 times, and we randomize it 6. One sec here, folks. Let me just pull up another window. Dual screens are getting me tonight. Alright, let's clear this one out. We have the Rams, the Eagles, Broncos, and the Jets. Rams, Eagles, Broncos, Jets, Rams, Eagles, Broncos, Jets, Rams, Eagles, Broncos, Jets. All right, we do it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Broncos taking it down. All right, that's all she wrote for tonight. Again, thank you everyone for joining our box break tonight. I hope to see you guys again in the future.